Dan McDonald here for GoUSIEagles.com, and the USI women's basketball team victorious tonight, 97-63 over Brescia University. The Screaming Eagles relying on a well-balanced scoring attack, 5 players in double figures, led by Mary O'Keefe, 23 points and 8 rebounds. Anna Hackert follows with 16 points, 18 rebounds, just 2 shy of a career high, 3 shy of the all-time score record of 21. Talked to head coach Rick Stein after the game, and this is what he had to say.
I thought it was a great team effort, really top to bottom. Everybody obviously got a chance to play, but there's production from top to bottom. Our bench was really big for us tonight. We got contributions from every position, really. When you talk about bench play, and obviously you get a good win here, before we go into to the Thanksgiving break and before we get into a tough tournament next weekend. Well, huge, and our bench posts each had double figures, and we just really controlled the paint all night. Mary, I think she had 5 assists, maybe no turnovers tonight. Also, you talk about Anna Hackert with the double-double. Those 2 words are sometimes they just kind of flow together, but that's a hard thing to do. Get double-doubles. That's her 5th straight. 18 rebounds. Just some really good production from an inside play, and you got to credit our guards for that too, because they're helping that cause and helping to get the ball down there.
Of course, Mary O'Keefe, 23 points and 8 rebounds. She talked about her game.
I think I was very happy to be able to play a good game, but the coaches talked to me before, and we had a mismatch, especially in the post position. Not only me, but Anna and Kayla and Morgan Dahlstrom all had mismatches within the post. So I think I just tried to take advantage of that this game, and it worked out. And we had a good game, but I think inside out the guards did well. I mean, they got passes inside. They got their shots on the outside. So I think it was a really good team win. I think at the beginning I was still kind of hesitant to go crash the boards, but once the game got going, I know Dallas talked to me about it, and it's been a focus of not only our team but especially of mine to try and get more offensive rebounds and stuff like that. So I think I really tried to kick it into gear, halfway through the game or 10 minutes into the game and stuff like that. So I think that's where all the rebounding and stuff like that, I became more aggressive on the boards.
For GoUSIEagles.com, this is Dan McDonald.